Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable wind noise reduction on GoPro Mission 1. To do it, slide down, When you're in a video mode, then click on the name of the mode you're currently in on the bottom of the screen, then scroll down until you find the audio section. Then you'll find wind reduction, and you can set it to auto, you can set it to on, or you can set it to off. In wind reduction, the audio is recorded as non-stereo. In auto, it will automatically switch between stereo and non-stereo with reduced wind when needed. And all of these settings can either be adjusted for each mode separately, or when you set apply to all, it will be applied. The same setting will be applied to all modes containing video. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.